Guys, check out the shoutout of this Iron Fortress. What do you guys think? I worked so hard for this uh, to build it because it made it took a couple of hours for me to do it, but I never gave up on myself. You, if you for every likes and subscribe on this video, I will give shout out to my next video. But if you don't, I won't give shout outs to video. What do you think? But I have something to tell you that I have a shout out on my castle. I just created on my own, so I don't have any friends. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. This is the walls are pretty thick, are made of iron. With no doubts. I think I just created on I don't have any friends on this free page. So this way I build lots of acres of land that there's so many houses and sorry. So we could train an army. So do you wanna build the fortress to start a war? What do you guys think? Yes or no? Tell me in the comments. Then I will pin each all of. I made this one because that's my own responsibility. So before that, after that, after shout out, I will post the video on because I wanted to go na finance week. I wanted to do that because I wanted to get more subscribers and I will get popularity. But remember, please help me hit 10 subscribers on my channel. Okay? What do you guys think?